Let's do this. All right. Overall, today was a choppy day until I'll say about the second half of the trading day. It was a choppy day. So Hughes and Spy decided to pick up some steam ending a day and put in a strong candle. So we're gonna the daily, sorry about that. We're gonna have to see if we could break the highs of today and the highs of on what's this, Wednesday. So tomorrow we're just gonna definitely keep a high watch on that area and delete this alert. That's this for you guys. Sorry. So, all right. There we go. All right. So tomorrow could be bearish depending on data. If we got data before market opens. I'm still gonna keep this put level for you guys right here. And tomorrow, yeah, just we're gonna watch the break of this wick if it really wants to be bullish. Continuation. I'll put 65. If I got it just to daily. Right. So the fuse actually has a little bit more room to go up just because this wick is higher. So it has opportunity to fill in this price level of the highs on this candle and the highs on those are two opportunities that the Qs could definitely do tomorrow. Um, we don't look weak, and especially how today moved, they definitely don't look weak. This looks double bottoming, similar to SPY. So let me delete this alert right here. This is old. Okay, so I'm still liking this short op right here, this alert, so I'm gonna keep it there. Highs, I think I'm gonna just wait till we get above this candle to enter calls. I think that's the safest entry. Of course, you can get in on a bounce entry. I'm just putting breakout areas, clear breakout areas. All right, so that 391, almost 392 could send it to, what's this? 393 potential. So not bad, not bad. Some ERs tomorrow, some tech ERs. So maybe that'll influence the Qs to open up higher pre-market until before the data cracks the market. So that data is definitely going to impact us, I'm pretty sure. So just be wary of that. That's why I got out them calls because I didn't want to risk it with the data. And as y'all guys know, health swings has been hurting me. So I'm doing some makeup, some collateral damage. So I just TP, play safe tomorrow. I could get back in. Apple looks good. Wow. Apple's channel trading and it's respecting the 9, in my opinion. Apple's a go. I think 190, 125 is a good area to watch Apple. Oh, I'm sorry, 191.5. I apologize. 50. We already went under, curling up. So that looks good. So Apple looks bullish. Let's see Microsoft. Oh, Microsoft went crazy today. Wow. Yep, Microsoft could definitely go higher. Definitely go higher. Yep, this looks bullish. So bullish on Micro. I might as well delete this downside alert because Microsoft is crazy right now. Crazy. Not going down. I'm not gonna put an upside alert because it's obviously going ballistic. So I'm just giving you guys my opinion on Microsoft. So next is Google. Good Netflix. Google looks strong too, low key. Yeah, I like Google. Nice full candle on the daily here. So I would wait till we get above these bad boys right here. This is a wick, which is potent. I'm sorry, this is a wick, which they couldn't hold the price level. Then this is a bear candle. Once we clear these two, I think we could go high. Matter of fact, where my VP line might be the best entry. So I'm gonna put it right before my VP line. So let's put 80 cents. I think VP break is good. My VP is volume profile line right here, guys. All right, so yeah, this looks strong still. And you draw this trend line. I knew it goes lower. Yeah, so it's really like this. Still strong. That's so look, this downside alert, sorry, downside alert that I've been had in the past. It's a good level. Why? Because if this cracks, it's below this trend line. So I'm still gonna keep that. Netflix. I think Netflix is getting ready to give up something. Yeah, I don't think Netflix is gonna push higher. This is ridiculous, guys. One, two, three, four. Four. Standing in a row, like not even moving. Yeah, this looks heavy, guys. So I'm bearish on that. Tesla. Oh yeah, I don't know why it's Tesla. Tesla today was magnificent. Wow. I mean, we spoke on it every time we did Zoom. We wasn't bearish. We was all bullish. Well, at least I was. Tesla could go to here, bro. Yep, 255 potential on Tesla after it opens up. It's probably gonna open up at 250. Right on the right on the 250 mark, I think. And then try to go higher to these highs on this candle, highs on around here. You know, this is what I've seen Tesla. So Tesla, Burish, Meta, and then we're gonna get into some names. Meta after Meta. Wow, Meta. Ooh, I like this because Meta try to pull in a bullish engulfing, guys. So Meta, great bounce off of this. What's this level right here? It didn't even go to 330.98. It went to 330. What's it? 333.45. So it respected the base of this candle, which is understandable. It wicked here. It went under a couple times, but obviously they pushed it up. And then this candle too was weak. This was a nice 3-day, like third candle reversal. This was off after the third candle sequence changed. I mean, finished here. First green candle real. So that's a nice little 3 candle reversal on that one. I like it.
It's on the list.
On the list, yeah. Everything looks good. Yeah, Meta is bullish, so Meta bullish. The only one that looks bearish is Netflix. Yeah. All right, let's get to the list. I don't got a lot of names because data. See what happens, but I got something for y'all. All right, oil, right? So I called out Capital One today. So I think Oxy's turn might be tomorrow for Buffett's portfolio. Nice consolidation on this bounce area. As you can see, this is bounce area over here, bounced over here, bounced over here, bounced. So fourth time. And we got a tint on the map. So I like that. In the RSI, super bounce area. So I'm waiting for Oxy upside tomorrow. Yeah, I like 60.85, 61 calls. The break of this candle, hopefully, we gone. Oxy's energy related, so I like that one. Earmuffs, ET, ET. Let's talk about ET. Ooh, ET. Okay, so ET, like if I was looking at this from a like outer view, like way out extended perspective, not this tiny three, this little tiny window. We got these three candles, like a bigger perspective, right? It looks like a flag, right? Because look, we got the pole right here. This would be the pole, and this would be the flag building on the pole. So that's what I'm seeing. So if energy goes with oil tomorrow, this one should definitely go. And I've seen this on the, yeah, I like how it's doing this little pivot, like a flag stripe. It's funny how it showed you guys the flag and look it on the line. Looks like it wants to rip up. So like a flag break. So that's what I see, the flag break. So these bears are fucking excuse my language. These bears are weak. That's what I'm seeing. Because look, it literally stood in the same spot for 2 days and it's rectangles. So I want to see if we could long ET tomorrow, 14 calls. We got our side looks good too. The only thing looks so shaky, not that shaky though. It's only 2 tenths on the Mac, and we're positive, so that's still good. HUD, small account. I think HUD might have a oof. HUD. PLD. So HUD looks good on the daily. I know y'all see it already. This is a double bottom. First build, second build, potential breakout area. So the HUD has to break the 21 with comfortability. Oh my God, did I really just do that? Yo, that's hilarious. What a delay. No, I didn't. What the hell is this? Oh yeah, I did. That was weird. All right, sorry about that.
Yo, I think that was me. I picked on this pen. I was like, oh, what does this do?
Yo, you bugging me out. Yeah, bro, it is you.
My bad, yo.
I was like, I didn't do that. I didn't click, but I did do this. So I was like, oh, that be bugging. You
Wait,
got
zoom
me line
scary.
here, bro. Erasing.
Yo,
Oh, great. All right, climbing is all up in the screen, guys. All right. So double bottom, 21 bells. We're gonna wait until we get over here. PLD, right? Put PLD on this side. Look, PLD is doing a flag too. That's crazy. Nice. Just retail. Yeah, no, not retail. Sorry, real. This is not retail. This is realty. Sorry. This is an easy macro break, in my opinion. This is the zone. This has to break too. So these two areas. All right, we're gonna watch it around here. So real estate, part of the RKT banger, Nami called out. Yeah, put 114.05. All right, next. Yo, this shit don't come off, bro.
yo, let me see.
All right, I'll just do oh, there you go. Thank you, bro. Mohawk. Another might be another new name for y'all.
If you ever go to Denny's climbing, I'm getting you crayons, bro.
Mohawk macro break as well. Look, guys. Boom, boom, boom. So many times it gets here. So This could be the dance right here. And I like this though. Indicators here are super strong. I want to get in around here. Yeah. See if it rips. This is honestly a good swing if you could afford it, not for nothing. To me, it looks like a big lagger. Generac. Let me see Generac. Nice Generac. Nice hold. The only thing that looks fishy, let me see. No, this looks good. Yeah, we could go higher on Generac. Has to break this high. These candles. Right here. 1, 2, 3. So this is where the reach at. It's probably gonna test this. 117 zone. If we break 117 zone, we could go for at least 120. Yeah. Gotta wait till we get above here. I'm gonna do 117.90. See if we could get some of that gamma squeeze if it does rip it to 118. Generac looks good. Next. Oh, I got a China name. China name. China. Team from China. Nice candle today on team, guys. Nice. Might have to wait for the bounce on this one. That was a big candle. Where could it bounce? Let me see. I'll put it around here. I'm gonna put 2 levels. I'm gonna put a bounce level and a breakout level. Breakout level, obviously I want to break these wicks right here. So this will be breakout level for 85 cents. Okay, team looks decent. See if China wants to do a end of year rip. They have some. I want to watch Ford small account. They have some news. F-150 sales. So let's see. Tomorrow might be Ford's day. If it's getting out of tight zone. It's right in between the 9 and 21. So something's gonna happen tomorrow. But I'm bullish because it's been getting beat up. Market's been ripping. Can't be bearish on this. Let's do 65. Move forward. Yep, that's good. Broke right above this. That's nice. Let me see this. Yeah, Ford look little pivot higher here on Ford. All right, and last one. After Ford, I got another EV. Rivian. Rivian probably looks good on the daily. Yeah, nice. Look at this head and shoulder. Shoulder right here. Head right here. Back shoulder. I already got an alert. Setting ready for y'all. So that breaks. We could go to at least 1840 and then almost 19. Those are levels. All right. Any names out there in the Zoom sphere? All right.
Dude, I just got back
Yeah.
live. I'm still catching up.
What was that? I heard climbing to someone else. My bad.
No, I said GME, but I was just joking.
GME. I'm gonna pull it up after jokes. Let's see. Let's see
It's
this.
fire.
Bro, I bought $30 calls for like I think
January.
January or February. I don't remember. Let me check.
Yeah, GME is. Oh, they got earnings, bro. Wednesday.
Oh, what the fuck?
Mm.
Not this Wednesday, of course. Next Wednesday. This might be a pre-ripper.
Bro, I don't know why I did it. I mean, remember climbing earlier today? We was eyeing it. I was like, I was trying to. I wanted to get in the entire fucking day. Then when market was about to close, literally 1 minute, I didn't even say anything. I just opened it up. I bought it, and the market just closed. So like my position right now is zero, like $0, like 0%, because I bought it at close, literally like two seconds before.
Yeah, then that bitch started ripping after hours.
Wow, you got it perfect then, easy.
Fire.
Yeah, man. Speculators are out. The
The
memers,
meme king.
the meme
The
team.
only downside to that is that when memes rip, that means market technically doesn't do as well, right?
Yeah, yeah, I feel you. I mean, this is the only one because I didn't see AMC kind of grab my attention. Let me see.
AMC didn't do
AMC
shit.
gay, bro. AMC went gold.
Yeah, look, so nah, bro. I don't even think this is some meme stuff. This might be actual ER run-up situation. Yeah, yeah, all right, not bad,
I
not
have
bad.
to make the decision if I should TP tomorrow or hold it. Because I have a couple months out. I don't know why I bought so far. Because I wanted $30 calls.
Nah, that's good, bro. What time? January. Who's to know what's gonna happen after Christmas and all that, you know? So, I'll definitely like obviously depending on the move it's doing before pre-ER, like I don't know how many you grab, but I'll definitely if you have January, I'll definitely hold one. All that
Oh
name.
yeah, for sure, for sure. I'm definitely gonna trim before. Yeah, shit, I might trim tomorrow morning.
Yeah, yeah,
Yo,
yeah.
what do you think about Intuit for a
I'll
flush?
into it. Oh, it flushed for the flush play. Okay.
For the flush.
And where's it at right now? Let me put it up on the hood on my phone. Hold on.
We're at 566 right now.
That 566. Okay.
And that's about where it closed at.
Well, right now it says, I don't know if it's true, 562. Yeah, this is flat. So 562 and it's 558. Yeah, I would definitely watch this 560 level if it tries to go there. 561, sorry. So I'm trying to see if it bounces off the top of these candles. If it's really flat, if it stays like this.
Yeah.
Because wasn't no ZS actually sold and ripped. So this is this is a little bit different. Let me see. Did they dig? Did they rip like the numbers? They beat. Let me see.
Yeah, a little bit. The only
Intuit
thing that
beats
was
first quarter
bad was the
estimates.
revenue.
Okay. Intuit tops quarterly estimates but misses with outlook. Okay. Revenue PS15. They didn't do that bad. I don't see why they get pulled down. They've been rallying, bro. That's why.
I
Okay.
tried to rip to 576.90 and
But
didn't
this joint
hold.
got space, bro. This joint was a $700 almost. Yeah, almost $700 stock. Yeah, bro. I would just wait for that bounce around there. Either that alert or if you really want. Oh, look, that's already at the low here. Yeah, this is the level it's gonna bounce if it stays flat, in my opinion. Tomorrow.
Okay.
I just don't know I don't know what. Yeah, I don't know how these counts gonna be priced. That's the thing. This is a big one. So if you was playing the IV and you're trying to get cheap contracts, I think the only way you're gonna get cheap contracts if you go like $800 calls for next week. Let me see what they closed at. Or maybe seven, sorry. Let me see seven. Nah, you see, still pricey. They don't even got 800, bro. Only got seven. And
Damn, they're
they
gonna have
got
to write that
720 and
shit.
700. Yeah, like because they got a crazy ATR when it moves, and if you catch it from here, bro, it has potential to rip. Like, what's this? $25, bro, almost, or maybe more 61. What's that? Yeah, almost, almost $20. So that's a good move. That's why, but they're gonna be pricey, bro. I promise you. So if you're looking for a cheap play, you will have to go like next week. Try to grab those 700 low. Let me see what was the lower day on the hold on, because I could see that.
Supposed to have a
They don't
3%
even
move,
got a,
actually.
oh, right here. Yeah, they don't even got a lower day. It's probably because this closed the market. But I'm with you on the IV for sure. We got Foot Locker. We got Dollar Tree, Farfetch, Billy, Hormel. We got a couple other IVs, bro. That's within the money range.
Hell yeah.
Yeah,
Hell
we
yeah.
don't gotta go
Definitely.
straight to this one.
Yeah. I just seen that as the first one I seen flush. I was like, ooh.
Mhm.
Yo, Kev, you can check out. Look. I know we said we're gonna avoid healthcare, but just take a look at this. Look at Lily. I know Lily's a bitch, but look at the daily and weekly.
I'm in jail, right?
I know. I
We in
know.
jail,
I
homie.
know.
Oh, y'all
No,
still
I
holding
know.
it? Y'all still holding? Oh, my bad.
Hell
Yeah.
yeah, we holding.
Bro, look at the daily and
Super consolidation.
like it looks like it's fixing to break out. I just don't know which way exactly, but I mean, even go to the weekly, bro. Like you're gonna see that's a tight ass fucking week too.
Yeah. Yep. I think Neo's in jail with us because I heard him talking about it yesterday. So
Yeah, he finally got in.
he probably in jail with us. I like this. I mean, it's not the perfect touch, but y'all can see what's happening with this trend line. It's boom. I like it, bro. I mean, look, it doesn't want to
That's
lose
tight,
this
bro.
level.
That's
It
tight. Yeah.
does not want to lose this level, bro. So
Yeah.
that tells me something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it upside. I'm still in. Tomorrow's
We
probably
get a,
the last. I think the last hope I'm gonna give these freaking health names because I'm fucking. It's on my screen and I don't like it. It's red.
like,
So
cancel
tomorrow,
this shit already.
yeah, tomorrow. And I don't know. Let me look at Starbucks because I'm in jail on that stupid coffee.
I fucking sold mine for loss, bro. That shit pissed me the fuck off, bro. But right
Yeah,
now, like 101 looks like a fire demand. I actually thought about
this is his last. Yeah, this is his last straw, bro. If it don't
yeah,
bounce here, it's ugly. Yeah. So
thought my
look,
for loss
look how
like
much to go.
that.
And you know what's crazy, bro? Like it wasn't a dumb buy, bro. Look how many red days it was in.
That's what I'm saying,
Yeah.
dog. Like
Like,
Bro, I know. I was like, what?
You can tell they
yeah,
don't like that hope.
Fucking gone.
that was crazy, bro. I'm like, is this China related right now? Like, so many questions. I don't know. We'll see
No one to
tomorrow.
grind the coffee.
They're still protesting.
But we're gonna get it tomorrow. I'm going for Ivy play. Oh man, Nami's not on. Damn, I want to ask Nami about arcade.
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. Sorry for that.
Oh my
Missed-
god!
Oh,
there we
he
go.
is.
Now
We
we
got
can
some questions to
take the
ask
Yo,
him.
scam
Nami,
now, bro.
Yo,
Jemiah,
the
bro.
chat got questions, bro, about how the hell, why the hell you
We've
played.
been fucking amazed all day.
yeah. I mean,
We were all looking like, wait, they had ER. No, they didn't. None of these shits had ER.
yeah.
Yo, Nami, I'm
Zilla.
not gonna lie, bro. The whole day when you was talking to
Yeah.
Jemiah and shit,
Yo,
Yeah.
what's
I know
up,
what you
bro?
were
What
saying,
happened? You
bro.
saw this right here on Jimmy?
So for Rocket, we'll go to Rocket. Rocket, you got it's holding the 200 and you got a golden cross. And then, yeah, I've been playing that flag pattern. So if you put it on the top of that wick at 933, that big wick, $9.33, and you draw a flag pattern, that's what I was playing yesterday and today. And I had the fact that it was building on Friday, it closed above the 8 and 200 and was starting to confirm the gold cross. And I saw the flag break and I saw the RSI. It didn't cross, bro. It tapped it and tapped its ass and moved.
My dog.
So for that guy, that's what I saw for Rocket. For Jemiah, look at the stick yesterday with the volume. And that's all I was And I was playing not only
Well,
that,
it's been
the stick
golfing.
from yesterday and the volume, and also let me pull that chart up to remind myself. And also, it was a claim of the 200. And again, I mean, look at that 8 EMA. It's just fucking rocketing. I mean, there's some of these charts, bro, like Shopify, fucking Spot. There's these charts that these things are just putting in green candle after green candle for like weeks, dude. It's like insane, bro. So anyway, that's all for those two specific plays on Jemiah and Rocket. If you look at Zillow, same thing. And then what catalyst these motherfuckers was the that got whoever that girl said that said, hey, we might actually cut it, right? You just saw that 10-year tank. And so everybody's just going to start flying into real estate. And now real estate XLRE is starting to look a little bit more bullish. So so that's basically that's what I saw for Rocket and Zillow for those plays. And then Jemiah was just that Marbuzu, bro. That fucking candle with that volume was just way too strong to ignore when I was checking my charts last night.
How'd you even come across that shit, bro?
What's that?
How'd you even come across it?
Jemiah?
Yeah.
I don't fucking know. It's fucking
And
Sham,
Jemima.
My fucking
Jemima
watch
found me.
This guy shows up.
Yeah,
He
it's
goes up and down.
definitely
found me.
up. I called it before a long time ago. He just left.
Yeah, bro. I've been running with the goat for a long motherfucking time. And
Yeah.
he throws these random ass tickers, dude, with like
You know what's so
literally
funny about
five OI interest and 2 volume like tickers on these cons. And I'm like, oh fucking I'll check it. Let's see what happens. Damn,
Bro,
that's a
the
fucking
whole
ass.
day when you were saying Jemiah drug, I thought you was like giving it a nickname. I was like, what is this guy saying, bro? I'm just gonna let him
Jemima's
until
witnesses,
Cam
bro.
brought it up. He was like, yo, I can't believe Nami killed Jemiah like that. I was like, wait, Jemiah's a real stock? I thought it was like a nickname to some shit that
Oh,
No,
That's
that's
my
I
fault. I give
apologize.
everything a nickname.
Yeah, you know
My
how like
bad.
Clap and Climb, we give nicknames to all these random ass stocks. I dead ass on my life. I thought this was a nickname to one of these stocks I just never heard of before.
Yeah, these
No,
are one
Ali.
of those not memes, but like one of them new ones that IPO, bro. And it ripped easy. Like when it IPO, like it was just
Oh,
one of those rippers. Like if you look at the chart, it was a high point on this ticker. And then it's
Yeah.
just when the bears came in, it devoured it, bro. Devoured it.
Yeah.
So now,
Oh, Nami, how do you feel about the 7-year bonds? They somehow was like ripped, and then out of a sudden, that's what made us sink at the
Yeah,
end of
they
the day. I
killed
didn't
the
even know 7-year
market.
bonds was a thing.
Yeah, I don't ever look at the 7-year. So I look at 2, 5, 10, 20, and 30. So I don't even have an idea. I mean, and then, I look at it, if you go on TradingView and you look at the bonds, it's going to give you the yield curve always on the right. So it'll show you like a little plot. I don't know, Cam, if you could maybe pull up the
what is it?
10-year bond.
Tell me the ticker, bro. It's just
Let me see. I think it's the same thing. It's 10Y.
one.
Oh no, it's US. Yeah, so let's look at the 10-year because that's really most important. US 10Y.
10Y.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So on the right hand side, bro, if you can put this where you can see like the information of the stock, like how it says like Jemiah Technologies, and it gives you your key stats, your volume, and your earnings.
This?
No, it's
No,
on the
he's
right
talking
hand
about
side.
that
It's like a
top
watch
right
list.
thing.
Yeah, it's that upper right hand side. It almost looks like a sandwich.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, click that. Yeah, and then if you could, instead of having shop, switch that to the 10-year. Or I don't know. Yeah, okay, you're at the 10-year. Okay, scroll down just a little bit in that little box where it says 4.297. There you go, right there. So that's the yield curve. So that's the yield curve. And so what that is showing is the 1 month is all the way to the left, and the 30-year is all the way to the right. And that blue line represents the different types of what the different bonds are priced at today. So obviously you can see that like the monthly or 1 month or 2 month or whatever the fuck it is probably over 5%. And then, as you go down, that little dip down there, that's I think the 10-year. And then I think that little clip up, like little V-shaped recovery where it's rejecting, I think that's 20-year. And then that very end would be the 30-year. So anyways, that just kind of shows you. And so the 7-year clap is going to be in the middle of that curve somewhere.
Huh.
But
It's like the
typically-
21 EMA or something in terms of them, huh?
Yeah, yeah. Typically, the most important, what I've kind of learned is the most important indicator of the Fed is the 10-year. I mean, if you go on CNBC and everything else, that's all they're going to ever do is show the 10-year. Occasionally, they'll show the 2-year because the 2-year and 10-year with them, that's what we'll cause that yield inversion. When suddenly you have the 2-year spiked and you have the 10-year going super, super low, that means they're forecasting a recession in 10 years from now, right? Where the Fed's going to have to cut rates. So that's typically what they look at. And then also the 10-year is super, super important because that's what determines mortgage rates. It's also a really good indicator of the Fed funds rate that banks are going to have to borrow. And that's what's going to set the rate for credit cards and stuff. So a lot of people are, a lot of the banks and a lot of the hedge funds are going to use the 10-year really to forecast their risk, right? Like what's going to be the price of mortgages 10 years from now compared to what I have to pay for my money market deposit accounts in my account, right? So they're really, I really focus on the 10-year. So that's the reason why I focus specifically on those, the 2, 5, 10, 20, and 30, and didn't really look at the 7. I'll pull up the 7 though, just to kind of see what the fuck happened today.
No, it's just because I never heard of the 7 until it screwed me today. Like, oh, there you go. There's a 7.
Yeah, well, I want to see what it did today, and how it screwed you because it should have
lucky number 7.
It should have tanked like everything else. So yeah, when I pull up the 7-year, this tanked just like everything else did, pretty much, right? So I don't know how that I kind of figure out how it fucked
Hughes
you.
ripped hundreds of percent like within minutes after the 7-year bond fucking sold.
Yeah, right. Because what's happening is lower rates, and lower rates means these growth companies get lower interest rates on these huge loans that they're going to have to take out.
It's like good news is bad, bad news is bad.
What's up?
It's like good news is bad, bad news is bad.
No, it's good news because they're dropping the interest rate, right? So the story that has dominated, the story that's dominated us for traders, right, as for at least trying to figure out the trend, has been interest rates and inflation, right? So they have to keep on jacking up interest rates to calm down inflation. But what they're all predicting right now, these 2 years and the 10-year especially today, and if you look at the 10-year after hours, which is what I kind of use to look at to trade NQ on after hours, this thing's still fucking tanking. I mean, this thing's printing at 4.29. So the lower interest rate means that these growth companies, like the Rivians, the Teslas, even the Apples, they're going to be able to get these really low interest rates in the future, and that allows them to now build, expand, buy more property, buy more storefront, invest more money in technology and research, right? So it's for us, if we're bulls, if that's the market that we want these things to continue to tank and probably settle between 2 and 3%. If everything just settled between 2 and 3%, fucking SPY would be at fucking 550. Shit. That because that'd be predicting that we basically hit inflation. Your interest rate and your inflation would be in line. Because what's the Fed's target rate? 2%. They always want to hit 2%. And so now everything would be in line. And it would show that everything's happening. That's why it's going. What do I think is going to happen? Based off of what I'm seeing on the 20 and 30 year, I think we're going to probably settle on the 10-year in the low 4s, like where we're at now, and probably stabilize here and hold. Because if you really pull out, like I've talked to you guys before about my grandfather, this guy was locking in 10 years and 20 years at like 15% in 1980. And if you look at it, the mean, if you're to look at the mean, I was actually showing this to a student today, kind of have them understand interest rates. It's like, if you look at the mean is probably about 6%. Like if you're to take the high of the 1980s and the low of COVID, which was like 0.2%, like literally free fucking money, right? The average is about I guess 7.5% if you want to do that. There's 15's on the top, 0 is practically on the bottom. It's about 7.5%. So what's been interesting to me is like really this interest rate isn't as cataclysmically horrible as it's been, but the market has interpreted it as fucking horrible and has used that as an excuse to fucking take the rug.
Screw me. Yeah.
Right. I mean, the same thing with COVID, right? I've been talking to guys with this. I'm like, how the fuck are airlines at COVID lows? right? I mean, this is
Yeah.
all shit that they just
that's-
use
that's
fundamentals as an excuse to fucking make money off of us. Fuck us.
Scamdemic.
Anyways, so that's kind of the idea of the 2-year and the 10-year and shit like that.
Cool.
Thank you,
Thanks,
bro.
man. Yeah, I was just wondering.
Yeah, no worries, man. No worries. This shit's so fucking interesting to me, and it's cool.
Get it? Interest? Interest?
Yeah, exactly at all levels. There you go. There you go. So yeah, that's why XLRE and all these home, right? Like I'm right now, I think I was going through my watch list and I saw that I missed the link, but like I'm looking at Home Depot. I'm looking at Lowe's. I'm looking at things. I mean, why is Growth Technology going the fuck off? Why did Lucid go the fuck off today? Why did Rivian go off? Why did Tesla go off? Because these interest rates are tanking. They're going to get access to low interest loans. I mean, I remember doing a research on Rivian, and Rivian loses over $20,000 to $30,000 per vehicle it makes. Right? Like it's not even fucking profitable right now. So it needs low interest loans to fucking go ahead and
Balance it up.
continue to invest to make it a profitable company where they're actually producing units that actually make money, right? So
Wow.
Fire.
They're actually in the hole 20 to 30K per vehicle. Wow.
cool, bro, per vehicle.
Wow, that's crazy.
That's crazy.
Well, yeah, I was looking at Rivian's EPSs and shit. I was looking at the swing. I'm like, wow, this looks swingy. And then I look at its guidance. I mean, it says like negative 0.22. Like, you know, some of these growth companies don't even have positive earnings. They're fucking siphoning cash, you know. But luckily, they were able to, you know, secure a lot of money during that COVID pandemic, right? I mean, that was
Yeah.
the big thing. If you were smart, you know, that's what I did with my car. I bought a new car in the COVID pandemic because I've got fucking 0% interest rate or giving money away. So,
Oh,
anyhow.
thank you, bro.
But yeah, real estate might be interesting. You know, look at oh my god, I'm sure you guys talked about it. Wayfair. I got my eyes on Etsy. You know, fucking like I said, Zillow. I mean, look at Wayfair. Look at W today, guys. Holy shit, bro. Right. So these are
It's making
all
a W.
yeah, exactly. So they're all just reacting off of these low interest rates and the fact that this fucking bearish, scary ass, you know, people are paying 7% for 30-year mortgages is done. You know, they're going to go back down to the 5s and the 4s. You know, something a little bit more manageable.
Yeah, that's equilibrium-ish, I guess.
Yeah.
Both of these.
Scary shit to me is it's just so funny. Is like I don't know how much I don't know. This just basically encourages debt-ridden behavior at all levels, from the corporate level.
You're like, what?
to
Be
the
more
government
degen?
level,
Say
to
less.
the personal level, to the personal level, right? Like fuck it, you know. I don't know. If you
Like
look
we're
at
never gonna
Japan-
get out of this. Might as well dig deeper.
That's how you get to oil, right? You just dig deeper, right? Or gold or something, right? Or diamonds. Just keep on burying yourself.
Just keep
Eventually you'll
digging.
get there. So,
Grandpa.
but anyways,
These
we don't give a
both-
fuck about that. We only care about the minutes in front of us anyway, so it don't matter.
Yep. You both look good, bro. I like them.
yeah, they're looking interesting. I'm still going through the watch list right now, trying to figure out what we're gonna snipe tomorrow.
Yeah, we're gonna do some IVs like you.
Yeah, bro.
Got
Sure. I'm pissed about Zscaler, bro.
Got
I had that
Hormel.
look.
Oh
They
yeah,
fucked that
yeah.
up.
We
So
got Hormel tomorrow. We got Foot Locker. And then
nice, bro. Yeah, we'll kill it. We'll get them in.
yeah, I'm gonna let y'all be. I'll hit up whoever wants to hop on the FUTURES with me.
Hop on the dark side.
What the Voldemort is going on?
We're gonna go Future's dark side.
All right, sounds good. I'll meet you all there.
All right, man.
All right,
All right,
later.
later.
All right, let me upload.